Fujitsu has developed a number of applications to complement our ATA-compliant parts marking solution. The first of these applications is the display tool, which is currently being shown on the screen. This application increases part visibility by allowing tag data to be mapped to images stored in a database so that the image is displayed on the screen when that tag is read. A common use case for this tool is to associate an image of the part that the tag will be applied to with the part number of that item in a SQL database. That way, anytime tags with that part number are detected, an image of that part will be displayed on the screen. Another use case for this tool is to associate installation instructions for a given part with the part number. This way, when the tag for a given part is detected, the instructions for how to install that part will be displayed. This tool can also display the decoded birth record data elements read from a given tag on the screen to allow for a visual validation of the tag data that has been read. The visual validation process greatly reduces the risk of a defective tag or a tag containing the wrong data being placed on a given part. The display tool also keeps a log with the timestamp and the decoded data elements read from each tag. This log file can be kept as evidence that all tags produced in a given session are readable and contain the correct data. Fujitsu also offers an inspection report application designed to verify that items in a given ship set or work order have been accounted for and provide evidence confirming that all expected items are present. This works by importing a set of part data for a collection of parts in a given order to the software for analysis. This data set is displayed on the screen and then compared to the encoded part data read from the corresponding set of tags affixed to the physical parts being inspected. Each of the expected items from our imported data set will be marked as found when the tag containing the corresponding data is detected by the reader, ensuring that each of the expected items has been accounted for. The tool can then be used to generate a report showing that the presence of each expected item has been verified. We'll cover these tools in detail in the next video and demonstrate how. Each of the validation tools we introduced in the previous section have been designed to provide additional methods for ensuring tags have been installed on the correct parts, the printed and encoded data elements are correct, and to capture evidence confirming that the data integrity of a given tag is intact. Each tool provides expanded visibility of the data content for RFID tags that have been produced using Fujitsu's commissioning software. Previously, we commissioned a tag using the ZXP Series 7 printer and read the contents of that tag using the MC9190 device. Now, we have attached that tag to an oxygen bottle, which we will use to demonstrate how the display tool works. The display tool connects to a SQL database where data pertaining to various parts are stored. Images of those parts can be associated with a given data element, so that image will be displayed whenever a tag containing that data element is detected. For example, the part number for this oxygen bottle has been registered and associated with a picture of an oxygen bottle, so anytime a tag is detected with that part number, the oxygen bottle image will be displayed. As you can see, when the oxygen bottle tag is read, the oxygen bottle image is displayed on the screen. As we mentioned in the previous section, this tag could also be associated with a set of maintenance or installation instructions for the part, which would be displayed on the screen instead of the oxygen bottle image that you see currently. The tool also displays the part's cage code, serial number, date of manufacture, and other information about that part that's obtained from the decoded data read from the birth record of that tag. This application is an excellent tool for validating that commission tags have been applied to the correct parts and providing a visual validation of the encoded part data. Additionally, each time a tag is read while this tool is running,
An entry is made in the log file showing the data obtained from that tag and a timestamp, which can later be used as evidence that a given production tag has been inspected and that it was encoded with the correct data elements. Fujitsu has also developed an inspection report tool designed to verify the presence of items that belong to a given order or ship set. The commissioning data file, or work order, for the items included in the set has been imported to the tool for analysis, and the expected items are displayed on the screen. In this demonstration, we've commissioned 4 oxygen bottle tags based off of the work order we have imported into the inspection report tool, and we attach them to their corresponding bottles. When the tagged items are detected by the fixed reader, the item changes from a white background to a gray background, indicating that the part has been found. The counter on the left side of the screen shows the number of items that have been found over the number of items expected. This tool can greatly reduce the time spent manually inspecting items in a given shipment, and also reduces the risk of those shipments being sent out containing incorrect or missing items. Now, let's place our oxygen bottles on the reader and see how this tool works. Once we've confirmed the presence of our expected items, the tool allows for an inspection report to be generated displaying the list of expected items and their status. Once we've confirmed the presence of our expected items, the tool allows for an inspection report to be generated displaying the list of expected items and their status, indicating if the item was located or not. These reports can be exported and saved in the default HTML format, printed out as a physical copy or as a PDF file, and then the report can be saved as evidence that the order was filled and completed successfully.